What is up, YouTube? What if you could actually make a lot of money by taking advantage of things that are actually trending right now? Sounds good? If so, stay with me. You are going to love what I'm going to show you in Entice. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. And as regular viewers of the channel know, that I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, of course, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, by the way, White Collar went off the air a few years ago, but I still love White Collar. I think Neil Caffrey was a very classy crook, and he only stole from like other crooks. So, hey, but seriously. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well, some old TV shows, but let's face it, White Collar is a classic. But anyhow, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Really, Bart? Every single day you gotta complain? This is good stuff, okay? Quit complaining. Do you know how annoying that guy is? All the time. Yada, 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 yada. Complain, complain, complain. Anyway, seriously. The way things work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip, my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. She says the same thing every day also, but I can't get angry at Liz. She's a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are on the sales page for Entice. I love these names that they come up with, Entice. I'm going to entice you into buying this, but it really is a cool piece of software. I'll show you the members area in just a minute. These are some of the money that's been made. These are screenshots off of JVZoo. Now, I don't know whose screenshots these are. They don't say who they are. You can definitely make money off of this thing. You can definitely build a nice list off of this thing. And you're really, really going to build a nice list off of my bonuses, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. Basically, a software, really, really cool software. I'm going to show you how to get a discount, by the way. Basically, what you do is like this. You're going to go and try to exit. Well, it's not going to show me now because I've already tried to exit. But just go and try to exit. It's going to show you a discount option. Basically, just click the discount option. It'll go for $14 instead of $17. So you save a few bucks. Okay, that's my little gift to you. Just basically try to exit. If you have pop-ups blocked, it might not show it to you. So make sure you unblock your pop-ups. Pop-ups. Anyway, sorry. Been a long day, and it's just getting started. Anyhow, let me show you the bonuses real quick because I want you to see these things. These are really, really awesome bonuses. So I have a dozen different bonuses that I'm going to be giving you as part of your package with Entice. These are all various courses and softwares that you're going to be getting from me. But on top of these things, on top of all these dozen, I'm going to go through them in just a minute. But on top of all this stuff, what the other thing I'm going to be giving you that you were really going to love me for, I'm going to give you a free SEO campaign. Basically, you just send me the link that you want to link to, whatever it is. I don't really care what it is. And I will make sure that it gets blasted out across the internet. And there will be links all over the internet pointing back to your website that will drive free traffic for you. Okay, pick up any upgrade. You're going to get a dual SEO campaign. Basically, you're going to get the basic SEO campaign with the primary. You get the dual with one upgrade. You get two upgrades. You get my 3-level SEO campaign. Basically, the higher the level of the SEO campaign, the better quality it is, because basically what it does is instead of just having links directly pointing to your website, you have links pointing to other links that point to your website. And this makes it look better for Google, and it makes the links much more valuable so that you make more money from them. they're going to bring more traffic to you, basically. That's the idea, is to bring more traffic in to your website. Now, we're also going to give you a dozen different courses over here. Okay, so you have the Traffic Handbook video course. You have how to become a successful social media influencer, how to become a successful social media influencer video upgrade, modern vlogging video upgrade, freedom online business video upgrade, video blogging profits, video blogging, your way to millions, the mega list building course, and of course, you're also going to get my Facebook, my Twitter, and my retargeting course, all included in this package. Really, really nice stuff. Okay, very, very comprehensive. And as I mentioned to you, if you go ahead and just go ahead and click, try to exit. Don't actually exit, but just try to exit. It's going to give you the option to get Entice at just $14. Very, very cool stuff. Here, let me show you real quick the members area. Okay, over here, it's basic members area. It's going to show you how to use Entice, the whole 9 yards, and then you're going to have even more bonuses down here. You have social niche marketing mastery, instant content generator, Viking retargeting, rapid Instagram traffic, lead generation pro, social media detonator, and virality. Wow, that's a lot of bonuses. All for your $14. It's almost like we're basically giving it away to you for free. Well, not quite for free, but basically, it might as well be. And the $14 is a joke for the amount of stuff you're going to be getting. Let me show you real quick the members area over here, because this is the software. This is a really cool software. So here's what it does. Basically, first of all, it'll let you look for trending topics, which is awesome. Okay, basically, the way Entice works is that it will create quizzes for you based on trending topics. You can see here what's currently trending. Very nice stuff. You get an entire list of everything that's going on in my stimulus package. Obviously, the stimulus is a big deal. You've heard me talk about it on some of my previous videos, but I'm trying to stay away from politics. People get upset with me no matter what I do. I don't know why. I've deliberately not put out my own personal opinion on who's to blame for the impasse. But I guess people just don't even want to be talking about the fact that there is an impasse, and I'm getting frustrated with it. Not for myself, but for my customers, because I know a lot of people are really suffering. Anyhow, whatever. Okay, so, and then basically you get templates that you can actually use to create your own custom-made quizzes. So you got a whole bunch of different kind of templates available here. You can see there's over 400 of them available. All right, and you can go ahead and start using them, and then basically compose them. It'll give you the option to blast these quizzes out to the world. And the idea is that people go and play these quizzes. You've seen them on Facebook and other places. People play them, and then they basically, it'll basically say, send in, give us your email in exchange for seeing your results. That kind of cool stuff. Very, very nice stuff. All for $14. So let's see if I'm going to give it a tap and answer the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, you rock. Love the software, love the course, and of course, I love all the bonuses. It seems like every day I give more and more bonuses away. Just kind of keeping up with the Joneses. But hey, you know what? You guys are worth it. You're my customers. I love you, and I want you to succeed. So I'm giving you every single thing you need to succeed. Go ahead and grab this thing. This really is worth picking up. You're going to love it.